The technology people are the heart of SW. Without technology people, we would not be as outstandingly competitive and innovative as we are in the market. We think systems is no longer a vision. It is actively practiced at our company, but it is also an ongoing process that we are continuing to develop and support accordingly. Our technology people emanate the systems concept from complex project planning to implementation and realization with installation at the customer's site.
The connection between SW and Schabmüller is the positive cooperation on all working levels. The high quality of the machines, which meet the requirements of the automotive industry in order to fulfill the quality requirements of OEMs. In the Daimler cylinder head project, there was a lot of pressure to meet deadlines. The SOP schedule was moved forward several times and repeatedly shortened. And it was important to have the right partners on board and to have the right cooperation at the working level so that it would work smoothly. The space conditions were relatively constricted. We used 6 new machines and integrated 4 existing machines here and upgraded accordingly. The challenge here was, of course, to design the automation in such a way that we could achieve the quality and the material flow accordingly. The topic of transporting raw parts was of course also a major challenge, but we were able to overcome this with a storage system which we used to store the components and feed them into the system.
One of the biggest challenges of the system is the integration of the many different process steps. In addition to pure machining, for example, plugs are set, leak tests are carried out, and parts are washed. For us, it is extremely important to support all processes digitally and transparently. SW's industrial data services are an important interface between the planning, realization, and use of the system. During the process, traceability is in the foreground. The traceability of the parts is of great importance for the customer and SW. IDS provides a transparent view of the production line, and the associated processes are displayed transparently. Finally, the data is integrated into our SW cloud platform. Then, for example, the Schabmüller Group has the possibility to get information about downtimes, bottlenecks, or the status of the machines. This means that any disruptions can be predicted. Preventive services can be carried out to maximize the availability and efficiency of the system. Our IDS solutions are constantly being expanded. We rely on partners such as Schabmüller, who test our technologies and modules with us and use them on an ongoing basis. Through partnership and direct customer feedback, we are constantly developing our digital solutions and reaching new dimensions.